All right, we are already on to lesson 6. Let's get going. We have got ourselves two things that we're going to do today. All right, first up is Everfi. So you're going to be in your Google Classroom. We're going to jump back over to Launchpad. Inside Launchpad, you have a brown CTE folder. We're going to click on that. We're going to click on Everfi. We're going to click Continue to Website. All right. And then we have this course right here, Ignition, that we are going to get started on. And it is super easy. You just press start and boom, there it goes. And it continues. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to jump in here and we're going to take this quizzes, kind of introduce ourselves to quizzes. Make sure you say yes to that, say yes to this. All right. You don't have to enter a parent's email. You can just start the quiz. Give yourself your name and hit start. All right. So there you go. And then you can see the other folks in your class. All right. So those two items, let's get them done.